welcome back to my channel. Trust you all are good. So in today's vlog, I want you guys to come along with me. Let me show you how I spent my day. Okay, so now we are heading to the church. Come with us. Hope you went to church today. Okay, so if today is your first time here, thank you for joining. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like, share, comment, and also turn on your notification bell for more amazing videos. So guys, come with us. Guys, it's raining. Oh, it's raining today. Today I'm going to church. It's raining. Oh, you guys, raining. Hey, oh yeah, mama, let's go. Today's church, we must go. Look at it, it's raining. So guys, I have to run. Okay, you can see my body is wet. It's wet. So join us. So let's go. Today's church, we must go. So we're on our way now. So we have arrived now. Okay, we are now going into the church. So guys, here is VC toilets. We came early today. Church is starting by 10:30 and we arrived here 10 o'clock. So it's good to be in the presence of God early. Oh yeah. Service have ended for today. We give God the glory. Now we are going home. Let me show you guys other things I'm going to be doing today. Alright guys, keep watching and don't fail to subscribe. Let's go. So guys, we are outside though, where we are taking coffee. You can see. This is our church here, front of the church. So guys, we are done taking our coffee. Actually, we wanted to go, but hubby said let's go inside the city and walk around a bit. Okay, today is Sunday. Miras, where are you running to go? To go and walk. So let's go around the city small. Oh yeah, sorunum. We are done walking around the city. Now we are going home. So come with us. And the weather today is so amazing. not too hot, not too cool. So everything is mixed together. So the weather is so good. And I see outside the glow, eh? It is good to be in the house of the Lord. Yes, so all right, let's go. Hi, beautiful people. Okay, we are back from the church. And we are done eating our lunch. Guys, guess what my family ate? So I did not cook this afternoon. What I did was all the leftover that I have in my fridge, I said today you guys must finish it before we make any other food, any fresh food again in this house. So I have lentils moi moi, my small black soup that is still remaining, and what again, and little jollof rice that is still remaining. So everybody have to you have to take the one that you will eat, okay? So for me, I ate the black soup and oatmeal fufu, okay? Loi that's what I ate, so that I'll have the water go strength power. Yes, so so guys, that is it. So I'm done resting. What I'm going to show you guys next now is I want to make my girls' hair. Yeah. So I would like you guys to come with me. It's like I've talked too much. Pardon me. Also, Biango Churumobi. Alright, so let's get started. So guys, our oha soup is ready. Enjoy with any swallow of your choice. Okay guys, see you guys in our next one, and remain blessed. Bye bye.